Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Safety is non-negotiable. Put on shatter-resistant goggles and cut-resistant gloves, then clear the area and place a drop cloth and a collection container near you. Next, weaken the seal. Apply steady heat along the edge to soften adhesive, or carefully score with a thin razor blade, only enough to break the initial bond. Once done, insert a thin plastic wedge and work it gently around. This creates a gap for the next phase and prevents cracking. You move methodically now, alternate applying heat and gentle prying in small sections, about 1 to 2 inches at a time, to keep stress even across the glass. Make sure someone or a rigid backing supports the opposite side to avoid flexing. Tempered glass shatters under uneven bending. Once a rim is freed, attach suction cups or tape-made handles so you can lift with 2 hands. Keep motion slow and steady. If you feel resistance, stop and reapply heat before prying more to prevent sudden failure. You finish by lifting the glass straight out using suction cups or with a second person, and lay it flat in the container to avoid rolling or impact. After removal, scrape residual adhesive carefully with a plastic scraper and apply appropriate solvent to dissolve residue. Wipe clean and inspect the frame. If the pane resists at any point, reheat the stubborn area, rescore the adhesive line, or stop and call a professional. Do not force or bend the panel, because tempered glass can shatter unpredictably and create a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.